I just thought I'd show you a bit more of this. So I managed to burn through those two roots there. This one burned down enough and the soil sort of dried out enough to just all crumbling, so I managed to dig a bit of a scoop under it. So I've just got that one smouldering now. And slowly starting to get into these bigger ones. This one here and the one at the back. I've just been coming out every hour or two and stir it up. Hit it with the blower, get it like a furnace again. Now I can actually hit it with the digging bar and the stump actually moves a bit. So it is starting to come loose. Yeah, I'll keep at it. Well, I gave up, ended up getting a saw out. This root here actually goes further. It's really thick. It's nearly as thick as the bloody circumference of the stump itself. When I was cutting it, there was a bit of water coming out, so it's either starting to rot or it's still trying to pump water. So yeah, and it stinks too, so I'd say she's a bit rotten down inside there. Got a fair bit of it burnt, but I'll probably just let that dry out for a few months and then try burning again and try and drag that down to the fire pile. I don't know how well that's going to go. The fucking thing weighs a ton. This one managed to burn a little bit of this side at the front. I don't know if you can see it. And then the chainsaws, the chain starting to die, so got most of the way through, but just she won't cut no more. I'll probably give it a sharp and give it another go, but might even do that later. But yeah, they're bloody hard wood too. She took a few goes to get through this one. I'll probably have another go at that little one later on. Bloody noisy things. Hoping I can maybe drag that, because I've got a couple of slings up in the shed. Drag it down to that fire pile with the mower. Give the termites something to eat. Yeah, that's probably why it didn't burn, because there was a bit of water still in it. But oh well, had to go anyway. Managed to get rid of one. So where is it? There. Got rid of one. Got it mostly burnt all the way through, and then just used that jimmy bar and she popped over. So yeah. Head over town, go over to the mower shop, see if that part's turned up. If I get motivated, I might go and mow the backyard later, but yeah, sure, I was cursing whoever built this place, because I don't know why they just didn't run. Like, they would have had to have had a D11 or something, D9. Clear the house pad out, or even they would have had to, you know, would have been a 10-ton excavator, maybe a 5, to dig out the back here. Like to dig all that terracing out. Why they didn't just go through and pull every fucking tree down in the top half of this area, I don't know. So yeah. I've got these two up on Facebook, but only got 150 for the pair. So I thought it's pretty reasonable, you know. Like that mower's lucky to have 40 hours on it, 60 at the most. Line trim will have next to nothing. And you get some Indian guy who wants the line trimmer and the grass catcher. Like, no, I'm not separating shit. Like, I don't know why people, I don't know, just people. What else? I don't know where it is now. But the Kluger, so I replaced the sump plug. This is a part number here. That's what they recommended. So it's got like a copper crush washer. Fucking thing's leaking. So there must be two different styles of sumps, very slightly different. So this is the one that come off it. Looks like a, well, it's not a Dowie washer, but looks like it's got like a rubber coating or something. So I've got to go over, get another washer, give that a go. Otherwise I'm going to have to go over to Toyota and see if they've got them in stock, which they probably don't, and I'll want $40 for a bolt and a washer, so I have to see what's...
Yeah, so I went over town yesterday, went to Toyota instead of going back to Super Cheap or Repco anyway. Got genuine Toyota, well, I don't know what you call it, gasket seal for the Kluger. So I got 10 of them, so about $2 each, so a bit over 20 bucks. Got a pack of 10. That's actually closer to the OEM one. Well, you know. So whatever Super Cheap got on their website isn't correct. And even, because they do show these aluminium washers, but they don't have the, like the gasket material on them. They're just basically a flat aluminium washer. So I got 10 of them. I'll get out in a little bit, and I'll just reuse. This is the original bolt, sump plug. I'll just use it, swap them out real quick, give it a degrees, and hopefully that sorts that issue out. So yeah, it's always something, eh?
I've got to add too, went over to the mower place, the deck brake bracket still hasn't arrived. She's hoping this week. She does have a few boxes of MTD Cub Cadet parts coming in, so hopefully this week that'll rock up. But I'll be back at work I think Wednesday, so even if it turns up I can just leave it here and then put it on when I get back. Because yeah, I'll do those two pulleys, all the deck stuff again. Yeah, that's the problem. Everything's got to come from the US. I don't know if anybody's interested, but this is my grandparents' car. Pop bought it when he retired in 1996. It's a 96 Holden Astra TR, I think it's City, 1.6 5-speed, and it's got power steering and aircon. It's the only options he wanted. It's got, yeah, just under 170,000. We bought this got it from our eldest daughter, and started fixing up, got it regoed, and then the bloody head gasket went on it, so I had to pull that head off
and got it rebuilt, you know, got the valve lapped and everything else done. So all that was getting, because that took a few weeks, so I got in and replaced the fan switch and that, but I couldn't get the aircon going anyway. I'd say it's out of gas or a seal's gone. I've still got the original owner's manual. But yeah, these are actually an Opel. It's got like a little fridge compartment in the glove box. So I got the head rebuilt and put the head on, and it's like you do a initial like angle torque. So I did that twice, and then I think it was the second last head bolt, the bloody head cracked right on the corner, very front corner of the head. And I gave up after that, and it was sitting in the shed, and I pushed it out. It's sitting out here about 2 years now, but it's in such original condition. I think the foam on the driver's seat's gone. When I drove it up here, because we had to go to New South Wales to pick it up, got it home and I was starting to go through it and stuff. And the bloody timing belt, so it's about 1 inch wide normally, and we come up basically through the centre of Queensland really. I can't remember, we pulled over somewhere, I could smell rubber. Didn't think nothing of it. I thought, oh, maybe the tyre, you know, it needs a wheel alignment. But the timing belt, so they've gone from 1 inch down to about, I don't know, maybe it was less than 10 mil wide. So it's gone from 25 mil to like less than 10. And what it was the tensioner down the bottom of the block was on the piss, so it was causing the belt to tilt back on the camshaft cog. But I've still got the original tape deck. I just put this in, just updated, but still got tape deck in the shed there. But yeah, I don't know what to do with this thing. It's pretty cool. Gonna move that little mower and whippersnipper on this morning. Got 100 for it. A couple of young fellas starting up their own little mowing business, so yeah, so got rid of those. Countdown to work begins. This might be the last video, I think. It'll be a bit of a mismatch of the last few days. I haven't really done a lot. Just sort of been poking around, working out my work clothes, and got to give the car a once over, because I'll head up Wednesday. So yeah, I'll see what I can film while I'm up there, but probably won't be too much. Yeah, catch you later.